my subscribers, new subscribers and viewers, welcome back. Thank you guys for your continued support and a big up on yourself. So people, if you know want mix up, if you know want mix up drama, go over Miss Blinger yard. Yeah, over the tiki-taki space there. The toxic space. Miss Blinger bring all the mix up them over the courtyard. On courtyard she have over there. Yeah. And you know all of the something them land pan Miss Blinger lap. The romance scam and all them something there are over there for it reach. So people. Yeah, this is one yeah, a series of it. Yeah, watch it from one day. Yeah. So me come to tell you a little light, a holy pipe, and I can give you one little bum pipe. I try to summarize it, and you know, give you a little bit. So, Andy Pandy, Andy Randy, kiss the girls and make them cry. Yeah, Andy have the sweet sugar cane. Andy is from Jamaica. Yeah. So, one girl named Ashley, one white Canadian lady. Yeah. She claims that she was in a relationship with Andy, and the most sweet. Him on the phone with her for hours and make she feel special. But she go down to Jamaica and spend time with him. But she say he might chop the line. She realized that Andy is a scammer. Yeah, she said I find out Andy is a scammer and he's scamming women and a 23 woman. She said allegedly she said a 23 woman. Yeah, and the family is part of the scamming too. Because she go to the family yard. But yeah, so she show a picture of her being with Andy down at Duns River Fall. So she find out that Andy get married. Yeah, she said she find out they was getting married and she was trying to reach out to Andy's wife, new wife. She said that him is a scammer and he beat her up, he made abusive and all kind of thing, and him have up a woman. But she couldn't get in touch with him, so she tell Andy now, so she go expose him. And she really expose him. She go up and bring her live and she vent and she do all kind of things. She draw everybody in a them passa mix up. Yeah. So me bring her over there, look for all the woman that will have get some of the sweet sugar cane. Because you must say Andy sugar cane must have really sweet. So Miss Blinger, 5 women will come forward. I don't know if you reach any further than 5, but I know 5 come forward. So Andy had to come clean to the wife to tell her this Ashley. So the wife know about Ashley. Ashley did say she pregnant for him too. Forget that part. Ashley said she pregnant, but then she having some kind of miscarriage now. Because she said that she been threatened and somebody beat her up. So she lose the baby. Yeah. But me, to be fair, to be honest, me think saying Ashley ain't pregnant. Somebody stop them and Ashley talk. I think she fabricate a little bit tight, me gonna say. So I feel, my opinion, I feel that Ashley probably fabricate some of the story them. Yeah, she fabricates some of the story then. So yeah, but she really didn't in a relationship with him because him actually, yeah, him say, yeah, in no deny it, but he can't deny it because photographic evidence is out there. Yeah, and she have text messages and different things. So and hope a woman come forward. So, but it's a shame. Me no know. Me also say no. So this a wife, you know. All this come out. The lady have 3 kids. Ashley reckons say one of them. She claims that one of them threatened her and set up to get her, for them beat her up. I don't know. I'm just saying that's what Ashley said. So, everybody joined to the mess. Yeah. I know one of the daughters was on the phone talking and, was saying she feel, sorry about what happened to Ashley, and she had a conversation with Ashley and sound like a nice girl. Ashley feels that Andy prey upon the vulnerable and him know that she wants another child, and him prey upon her. But the thing I never like really, Andy company when I miss bring her alive, and he was dissing her up and calling her the mad white girl and all kind of things. I'm thinking, really? Yeah, then calling her the mad white girl. But me thinking to myself now, Emma cuss her and Emma call her the mad white girl. When he take up the mad white girl, I didn't like that disrespect really, because Emma say she mental and because she won't leave them alone. But Ashley a vent because Ashley's hurt, because according to Ashley, he promise him I go marry her too. Him say a lie, Ashley a tell. So, the saga goes on. Him a cuss her out. Wife come on the phone explaining. He say wife pregnant with twins. But me no feel say she pregnant neither. Because the scan what me see sure that no look like 2 babies. I don't know radiographer or whatever grapher. But me go Google twins. When me see the picture for me that look like a 1 fetus. Yeah. So when me go peep, go and have a look on Google what a twin scan look like. You can see me put one on my up on my thumbnail so you can see. You can see that they probably do the same. Then probably download something off, or somebody give them a picture of a scan and then put it up. Or she had a picture of she have a 6-year-old, maybe she had a picture of a 6-year-old. So I don't know, but I don't feel that she's pregnant. But the part that I want to say now about Randy Andy, Mr. Loverman, Mr. Loverman, come here. Because you're not Shabba. But you calling the lady mad. And this is going for most of these men that feel says okay to me don't know if you is a scammer or scammer not. I don't know the situation, but if it is the case that you are leading people on, because we see it happen all the time. It happen all the time with people. I lead people on, and then them doing it because they want a green card. You say you don't want no green card, sir. But my argument is that you have to understand, say that sometimes some of these women that we are getting involved with, maybe some of these women could really have mental health problems because you don't know them. You just talk to them on phone. And when you tell her to take a mad pill and all and something there, some man want to jump here and you don't know what's really going on. So you need to take heed, because you're making it look bad upon the good black men that probably really looking for love. That's what I'm gonna say. When I'm making it look bad upon our Jamaican men there, we're really looking for love. Me, one lady come on there and was saying about she was trying to stick up. Right? She was sticking up for Andy, so we kind of see it. you take up for Andy, but you can't say your brother that sleep with a woman and it's a Jamaican culture. You sleep with all the women. That not sound good to me. And that's what I'm gonna say. Some of these men need to be mindful of how and what who them picking up, whether this woman have money or not. Because from what it sounds like the lady when him have no him wife, the daughter saying that the lady was in an abusive relationship when Ashley has said that he's very abusive. I'm not saying Andy's abusive, no, so, but I'm just saying that some of these women are very insecure because it sounds like there's some insecurity going on there, so where some of them have to go all the way to yard to look for a man, and then when the red flag I lick them in them face, them can't say a red flag because they saw them just want to find love, you know, they're looking for love so badly, and they're not, you know, they fear they decide to ignore the red flags. And this one, I know maybe Andy's wife now can't do no better now because she's in a situation now and she's hoping that Andy gonna change, but it's not that Andy now is a real lover man, a real, yeah, he is a real gallus. So I'm not sure. I don't really sure if Andy are going to change in ways. He probably change for a little while, but then she's in Canada and he's in Jamaica until she can get to Canada. She won't be able to watch him. And for a young guy, for a young handsome looking guy like that, because he look quite young, is he just gonna sit around and wait when he look like say Andy lovely woman them? Yeah, in people say man in a DM all after married in a DM and all kind of M. So I don't know, but somebody was saying Ashley was the cleverest one out of them all, because Ashley saying never get for scam her. They say a $500 Ashley can't go to Jamaica, but somebody show me the day, so she did bring a credit card, but the credit card wouldn't work. So, and they have to, you know, support her a bit financially while she was out there. And yeah, so Ashley wasn't gonna be picked because Andy probably feels say Ashley was poor and pauperized. Broke foreigner, so in one rich foreigner, if that is the case, he might look somebody, if my look somebody to support him. Yeah, me no know, me just have say what the word on the street say, that him want the green card. So if he want green card, him have to play the cards, right? Yeah. So as for me see, so him have to go play, him have to play the cards right for the green card, and the lady have to have a sensible job. So this is what I say. I hear all these stories going on all the time, and I know say some of the man them don't like to hear it, because them feel the woman them a gang up on them. Yeah. So, but ladies, beware. And men at Jamaica, beware it too. So you don't know what you get in yourself in for. Because some of you just want to go foreign and you're not looking at the bigger picture. So people sometimes come they on phone and you can't assess them properly. You need to see, you know, what it's all about before you run. So you don't want to go foreign. So man live better life a yard than you not go live abroad. And that's my 2 cents in it. Please like and share this video. Thanks for watching.